Hi guys, so today I'm going to fixing a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 LCD screen. So at first we have to do is use a heat gun for make a heat as the back side of the phone for takeoff. So after sufficient heat, then uh, try to take off the back part, make it slowly and gently, because inside I have wireless charger, flexi cable, and touch button flexi cable. So you have to be careful for save that. So see, this is flexi cable for touch fingerprint. So you have to be careful to take off the back part. So now take off the all screw from battery cover. There are so many little tiny screw, so you have to take off all. Then you can use a tweezer for take off the screw, remove the screw. So if you fix first time at the phone, Note 8 phone, so you have to be careful and be gently and take a time and try to slowly. And this is the flex cable of wireless charger. So you have to take off gently and take off the back part, is down bottom part, and disconnect all flexi cable connector from motherboard, like LCD connector, battery connector, camera, charging cable, antenna, wireless antenna, network data antenna, for everything. So remove all of them. Make sure is you have take off the SIM card before remove the motherboard. So you have to make it gently. See, this is the flexi cable for charging port. Now take off the charging port. There have maybe 4 screw. So remove the screw, and this is the take off first headphone jack. Make a little heat. They have like under the flexi cable have little sticky. So take off easily and smoothly, and take a new screen for switch to charging port. So set up the charging port on a new screen. You can put a 4 screw on charging port. So take a time and do slowly and carefully. So take off this flash. I think it's a flash. Oh, there is like a sensor on the front side. So you have to switch to transfer to new screen. This one also some little sticky on the with the motherboard or with the frame. So you can make some little heat, then remove easily. Now time to take off the battery, make a heat, then use your plastic, mostly use a plastic thing to remove the battery, because plastic kind is like safe. If you use like a metal, it sometimes make burn the battery and messed up the battery. So it's better way when you use a plastic tools. So now put a battery. Okay, so you don't have to put a plastic on it. You can take off the plastic from under the battery. So then put a stick. There are a stick on. So stick on the battery, the place. So connect the charging port flexi cable with the motherboard and replace that perfectly. Then connect all flexi cable connector like a motherboard, battery, camera, power button, for everything, antenna, for all connector connected. And put a one screw have like a, by the power button, black screw. So you don't, I think it's okay. So phone is just turn on. The battery is dead, so you have to dead battery, so you need to make a charge. And then after that is put back the wireless charger frame and put a charging cable and loudspeaker. There I have a loudspeaker there on the bottom. So put it back all screw and make a sufficient tight. Guys, so I trying to upload or like repairing issue in my channel. I think this video will be help you to replace the screen or repair the phone or tablet, iPad. So please subscribe my channel and share my video and hit the bell button for notification for next video. So we are almost done, so everything okay. So now put it back the connect the fingerprint flexi cable. This is a little harder, so you can try slowly and smoothly, then will be done. Then